like Cat in a Hat. That's right, because today is Wednesday, March the 3rd, and we're celebrating Dr. Seuss Week here at school. So I'm just like Cat in the Hat because I like that story. Well, some of you have asked me to do a video of how to make paper airplanes. So we're going to do that, and in just a minute, Miss Markham is going to move the camera in so that you can see how I'm folding. And at any time during this lesson, if you need to pause it and back it up to see what I did, feel free to do that. So what you're going to need for this project is a piece of paper and your own two hands. So, and the paper needs to be shaped like a rectangle. That means two sides are long and two sides are shorter. So we're going to first begin by folding our paper in the middle. So you want to take this corner and bring it over to this corner like this. Okay. Now you want to pinch that fold, and you want to take your fingers and run your between your finger and your thumb, and you want to run it down the side where you've pinched it together there. See that? That's called creasing. Now we want to unfold it. And if you could just kind of zoom in here for me, I want them to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so we want to bring this corner and we want to bring it down here, but you see the top of your paper here, you want to line the top up with the crease that you made in the middle, like that. Now once you get it there, you're going to want to take your finger, put some pressure on it, hold it with one finger, and with the other finger, crease it down. Now, we want to do the same thing on this other side. We want to bring this top of our page, and we want to line it up with that crease in the middle. We want to hold it down with one finger and take our other fingers and crease it. So now it looks like a house. We have a pentagon. We have 5 sides, and that makes a house. We're not done yet. Now we're going to take this line right here, and we're going to bring it down the top of the page here, and we're going to bring it down and line it up with this fold in the center. We want to hold it down with one hand, crease our fold with the other. We do that by running our finger along making a seam like that. We want to do the same thing on this other side. We want to bring the top of this paper, we want to line it up with our crease right here in the middle, just like that. And again, we want to crease it down like that. Now we have what looks kind of like a TP. Now we're going to flip it over, and we're going to bring the two sides together. And we want to crease that down in the middle. So right now, this is what we've got. Now, we're going to take this edge, and we're going to fold it over to make one wing. I'm going to come over, and I'm going to make that wing a little deeper, yeah. Now I'm going to come over here, flip it, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And this is what I've got so far. Now, I'm going to put my hands under it and fluff up my wings. And now it looks like a paper airplane. Paper airplanes work on the same principle as hang gliders. They're aerodynamic, and they just kind of glide on the air. Let's test it out. Okay, so I'm holding it here in the middle, and the action is going to be with my elbow and wrist. I'm not going to take it up and just slam it down, because then it just nosedives. So here we go. Fingers crossed. Whoa! It just went out the door. That was so great. Now I want to try it from way back here. So I'm going to see if I can get it to go all the way across the room. Oh, I crashed. Take 3. I crashed. I mashed plane on my cart. Let's try it this way. I was a bad pilot. Wow.
Ooh, that's a good one.
That was great. Wow, that was so cool. Miss Markham says she wants to try out my plane. Let's see what happens.
All right, so I'm not going to walk it back this way. I'm just going to make it go straight forward. Here it goes.
Whoa, that was pretty good.
Hurry, woo.
Okay, that's it for my lesson on aerodynamics. Now, go make your own plane and show it to me.